They've had breakfast, they're watching TV. I should be able to put some makeup on before filming. What was that? I can't have 2 seconds! Why do they always think they can play ball inside? Where was I? Oh yeah, I haven't even started. When was the last time I did my eyebrows? I need to get my tweezers. How did I let these get out of hand? Why are you always so hard to get? I can see you, but I can't get you. Got him. Alright, let's do this. Again? You would think a teenager would be mature enough to not act like a toddler. Ugh. Where are those tweezers? Don't tell me I left them in the living room. Okay, here we go. Much better. Can't let that happen again. Am I the only one who can change a diaper? I haven't done anything. Well, I did do my eyebrows. But I've neglected my skin. Oh, I need to exfoliate. Seriously, I haven't even opened my makeup bag? Let's see, which one should I use today? I definitely need some concealer.
Mom, are you almost done? I'm hungry.
Didn't you just eat breakfast? $12. I'll be right there. Okay, not today.